Students, welcome back to the channel Train Your Brain by Ansh03. I know it's been a long gap between it's 6 days, as we know vacations are going on. I was also in a vacation mode. So let's get back to Pavilion now and get back to work. Let's start the sums. I'm starting with 18.4, that is conversion of metals. Okay, metallic. Coming on to exercise 18.4, it is basically conversion of solids from one shape to another. इस एक्सरसाइज में क्या है कि कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड्स है, उनकी वॉल्यूम्स दी होंगी और वो उसकी वॉल्यूम जो है रिकास्ट होती है, मेल्टिंग या रिकास्टिंग होती है, और दूसरी वॉल्यूम कोई शेप दी जाती है. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट सम, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन from one shape to another. What happens is when a solid is converted from one form to another, the amount of volume remains the same. So it's just basically 18.4 is the comparisons, okay? And then you have to calculate, compare karke, you have to, here likewise I will explain that what is given, the volume of a cone is the same as that of the cylinder whose height is 90 centimeters and diameter 40 centimeters. Find the radius of the base of the cone if its height is 108 centimeters. What is given? It is simply stated that volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Then they have given you height of the cylinder, is equal to 9 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is given as 9 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 40 centimeters. Therefore, the radius of the cylinder will be 20 centimeters. Similarly, for the cone, they have given you the height. Height of the cone is 108 centimeters. You have to find the radius of the base, okay, of the cone. As we know, volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. We'll put forth the formula in it. 1 over 3 pi r square h is equal to pi r square h. Simply the values will be substituted in it. 1 over 3 pi r square h is equal to 22 over 7 into 20 into 20 into 9. Here they have given you the h. 1 over 3 pi will do 22 over 7 into r square into 108. This will give you 79200. On calculating, we get an 7 over 7 r square. Therefore, r square is equal to 79200 into 3 into 7. Okay, and this will be 7 into 22 into 108. 7 ones, 7s, okay, 3 ones, and this will give 36. Therefore, r square is equal to 79200 over 792 hundreds. Therefore, r square is equal to 100 and r is equal to 10 centimeters. So, radius of the base of the cone is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. This is the answer required. A certain number of metallic cones, each of radius 2 centimeters and height 3 centimeters, are melted and recast a solid sphere of radius 6 centimeters. They say there are a number of cones, metallic cones, which has radius 2 centimeters and height 3 centimeters, is recasted into a sphere. Okay, cones हैं, उसको फिर उसको sphere cones बने हैं, ठीक है, पता नहीं कितने हैं, उसको रिकास्ट करके जिनकी ईच की रेडियस दी है 2 सेंटीमीटर्स एंड हाइट दिया हुआ है 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. दिस इज रिकास्टेड विद अ सॉलिड स्फीयर बनता है जिसकी रेडियस जो है 6 सेंटीमीटर्स दी है. उसका हमने क्या फाइंड किया, दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ कोन्स. सो द सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट, let the number of cones be number of cones melted be n. Okay, given radius of sphere RS is equal to 6 centimeters, radius of cone is RC is equal to 2 centimeters. Height of the cone is given as H is equal to 3 centimeters. Volume of sphere is equal to N volume of metallic cones. Okay, 4/3 pi r cube is equal to n 1/3 pi r square h. क्या होगा इसमें, 288 pi is equal to n 1/3 pi to the whole square, and h is what, 3. Okay. 3 gets cancelled with 3. You get 2 2s is 4. 288 pi is equal to n 4 pi. Okay, 288 pi over 4 pi will give you the number of cones. Pi gets cancelled with this, 4 ones and 4 sevens. So simply, therefore, n is equal to 72. That is, number of cones that are recasted is equal to 72. This is the required answer. A hemisphere of lead of radius 12 centimeters is melted and casted into a right circular cone of height 54 centimeters. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Therefore, solution, a quick move, volume of a hemisphere, volume of hemisphere is equal to, we know, half of volume of sphere. कैसे, ये स्फीयर है, आप कट करेंगे तो ही तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. ओके, 2 1s and 2 2s. बेसिकली वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर फाइंड कर रहे हैं हम लोग. 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब, ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर का फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, इसको हम अभी इंसर्शंस करेंगे सारी वैल्यूज. 2 into 3 पाई into 12 into 12 into 12 दिया हुआ है, रेडियस 12 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, 3 1s and 3 4s. On calculating, you get 144 into 8 is equal to 1152 pi centimeter cube you get. So coming on to the right circular cone, इसका फॉर्मूला है 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच इज इक्वल टू 1/3 pi r square into 54. It's given mentioned over in the question. It gives you 18 r square. Simply comparison करेंगे. Of hemisphere over volume of the right circular cone is equal to r square. Okay, volume of 11152 pi over 18 pi r square is equal to 64. R will be 8 centimeters. That is the answer. The radius of the base of the cone is equal to 8 centimeters. This is going to be your answer. Coming on to sum number 4. A spherical metallic ball of radius 3 centimeters melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. एक स्फेरिकल मेटालिक बॉल, एक बॉल है, कन्वर्ट हो चुका है 3 बॉल्स में. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू? रेडियस ऑफ द स्फेरिकल बॉल is equal to 3 centimeters. Since we know the volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, 4/3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3 will give you 36 pi. This is going to be the volume of the sphere. इसमें हम करेंगे क्या? ये देखिए, उन्होंने एक बड़ा स्फीयर है, उसको रिकास्ट करा है 3 स्फीयर. उनमें से इसकी रेडियस उन्होंने दे रखी है, इसका रेडियस दे रखा है और इसका दे रखा है. हमें इसका फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक एक करके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फर्स्ट बॉल विद रेडियस, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फर्स्ट बॉल with radius is equal to 2.5 centimeters. उसको फाइंड करेंगे. is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi into 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. So on calculating we get 62.5 over 3 pi. Similarly, volume of the second ball with radius 2 centimeter will be finding 4/3 pi r cube. जैसे ही फर्स्ट का करा है वैसे ही करेंगे. ये सम्स बेसिकली जो हैं कंपैरिजन्स वाले ही हैं बच्चे, तो कंपेयर कर करके हम उनकी वैल्यूज फाइंड करेंगे रिकास्ट करके. तो आंसर आ जाता है यहाँ पे 32 पाई ओवर 3. तो क्या होगा? अब हम जो बेसिक मैथ हम लोग सब जानते हैं, इन दोनों का प्लस करेंगे. इन दोनों का प्लस करके जो ये बड़े स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम आया उसको हम सिंपली माइनस कर देंगे और हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो sum of the volumes, sum of the volumes of the 2 balls is equal to 62.5 pi over 3 pi plus 32 over 3 pi. एक्चुअली बीइंग इन अ रूरल एरिया, यहाँ पे लोग बुलेट चलाते हैं और खुद तो डिस्टर्ब हुए होते हैं, तो लोगों को भी डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस caused by me. Is equal to 94 point, not by me but the person who was driving it. Okay, we found it. Volumes of the two balls is equal to 94.5. So what we do is, this is the volume of the two, sum of the volume of two spheres, right? We'll minus 36 pi, that is the volume of the bigger sphere, minus 94.5 pi, that is over 3, for the simple reason that we are supposed to find, we'll take LCM as 3, 36 pi will become 108 pi minus 94.5 pi will give you 13.5 pi over 3. Coming on to the volume now of the third ball with radius r is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube will give you 13.5 pi over 3. What we obtained from here is equal to 4 over 3 pi r. 3 is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube will give you 13.5 pi over p into p over 4 pi cube and 13.5 over r cube. R cube is equal to 3.875. R will be 1.5 centimeter. This is going to be a round surf. That is the radius of the third ball. Then with the answer number. Coming on to the area of solid metallic sphere is 125 centimeter square. It is melted and recasted into solid right circular cones. Radius 2.5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeters. We've got to calculate the radius of the solid sphere and number of cones that are recasted. So according to the given information that is given to you, we'll try solving it. Given radius given the radius of solid right circular cone, r is equal to 2.5 centimeters and height is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, the surface area is also given. Of metallic, area of metallic sphere is given to you as 1256 centimeter square. Therefore surface area is equal to 4 over pi r square. 1256 is equal to 4 into pi into r square. You get simply 1256 over 4 pi r square. So it gives you 4 ones and 314. 314 is equal to pi r square. So simply they've stated that you can use 3.14. 314 over 3.14 is equal to r square. So into 100 over 100, 31400 over 314 once 100. R is square. R is equal to 10 centimeters. Then volume of the solid sphere is equal to 4 over 3 r cube. 4 over 3 into 10 to 2 cube will give you 4 over 3 pi r cube. Into pi will give you 4000 over 3 pi. Okay, will give you 12560 over 3. Then volume of the cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 over 3 into 3.14 into 2.5 the whole square into 8 will give you 157 over 3. Therefore, the number of cones is equal to volume of the solid sphere is equal to volume of the cone. 12560 So the number of cones is equal to 80. We found the radius of the solid sphere and the number of cones. That is the answer. Volume of 3 identical cones is the same as that of a bigger cone whose 3 identical cones है, मतलब एक ही साइज की 3 cones है ना, और उसकी उनका जो वॉल्यूम है टोटल is equal to the bigger cone जिसकी height है 9 centimeter and diameter is 40 centimeters. So according to the given information given according to the question, volume of 3 cones is equal to volume of one big cone. Okay, we'll give you similarly 1 over 3 pi r square. H is given to you, h. This is with 3 1 over 3 pi r square h. So we'll substitute the values in it. By putting the values we get 1 over 3 pi r square is supposed to find. This is given as 108. Okay, 3 is equal to 1 over 3 pi 20 and h is given as 9. So ये चला जाएगा इसके साथ. Okay, r square क्या हो जाएगा? r square is equal to 20 into 20 into 9 over 3 into 108. On simplification we get this 11.111. Okay, simply our root will become 3.333 centimeters. Okay, got it? This is going to be your radius and your final answer. That's all for today. I'll be providing you the formulas in a simpler way to memorize it, a formula for it, in the shorts, my shorts video, within a day or so. For the chapter which we've completed, that is banking and mensuration का भी थोड़ा comparison करके हम लोग ज़रूर आपको simpler हो जाए. Formulas याद रखना is very difficult, I know, पर लेकिन memorize करना पड़ेगा. There's no other option for you. And practice always makes a man perfect. So the more you practice, the more perfect you get to things. Bye. Have a nice day.